Hey guys! Today, we bring you a Holomood smart chopping board that will make you shock. Yes, you heard it right, smart chopping board with app to control the calorie, so that you can enjoy your food and control calories accurately at the same time. With integrated mainframe, we combine the scale with the base of chopping board together. The scale is capable of supporting 3 kilograms weight. There are 4 different boards selectable, whether for vegetable, meat, defrosting, or grilling. You'll have the most convenient chopping board in your kitchen. This scale ranges from 1 gram to 3,000 grams, and the accuracy up to 0.1 gram. Also, there's a timer function available to set from 10 seconds to 99 minutes 59 seconds. With tempered glass surface, it looks expensive and easy to clean. In the cutting board area, we designed with precise clamping groove so that 4 cutting boards can be firmly placed. The orange acrylic salad board makes it easy for your salad. The bamboo board is made of natural bamboo. The thickness reaches 3 centimeters. It's enough to meet your requirements of cutting or chopping. Also, there's another board made of beech wood from North America. All boards feature on a rounded corner design, and there is a magnetic area inside the board. It's easy to attach the knife. The aluminum magnesium alloy defrosting tray is designed in ladder structure. The design allows the liquid and oil to run off along the groove. It's very convenient for defrosting or heating an oven. Our smart app will calculate the calorie of the food when you weigh them. Health is always calculated carefully. We are Holomood's smart chopping board, waiting for you at Kickstarter.